Don't forget that this tutorial is part of a series of tutorials which you can access on our YouTube playlist, or alternatively, if you would like to, you can purchase the whole course on Udemy. There should be a link to the YouTube playlist and a link to our Udemy course, which should always provide the best price in the video description. Some other settings which can be useful in some situations is defining help text for model fields to provide some additional information or guidance to users. So this help text is typically displayed alongside the form field in the Django admin interface and can also be useful for explaining the purpose or expected input for a particular field. So let's just go back to our models. We will add this. Let's add this to the, add a comma at the end here so it folds. Let's add this to the category field. You can apply this to any field you like. So help text equals, and then let's enter a category. This is meant to be helpful. So there may be some sort of format to the entry in a more complex field type. Maybe you made your own custom field type, which requires letters and then numbers, then letters and so on. So help text can be really useful there. So I'm just going to add enter a category so that we can see it in the Django admin site. So if we go back to the Django admin site, which I already have open, I'll refresh, you can see there underneath the help text has been displayed. Now, although this applies to the Django admin site, this help text can also be gathered and used if you do create your own forms.